Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Can anyone tell me what today is? It's Thursday. Thursday. Thursday what? What month? March. M-A-R-C-H. March 19th, comma, what year? 2020. Good job. Okay, let's see what the temperature says. It says that it is 57 degrees outside. Let's count by fives to 57. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60's too big and 55's too small. But 57 is kind of in the middle of 55 and 60. So I'm gonna put a line in the middle of 55 and 60 and color down just like you will on your thermometer. If yesterday was 133 days of school, how many days of school are there today? 134. Good job. Today is Thursday, March 19th. What's tomorrow? Friday, March 20th. And what was yesterday? Wednesday, March 18th. Very good. Okay, let's start with our odds and evens. Can you tell me if this number is odd or even? Seven is an odd number. If I tried to split 7 in half, one person would get 4 and the other person would get 3. Is that fair? No. So 7 is an odd number. How about this one? Is 20 odd or even? Which number should you look at to figure out if it's odd or even? The 2 or the 0? The 0. Is 0 an even number? Yes, it is. If I have 0 lollipops and my friend has 0 lollipops, is that fair? Do we have the same amount? Yeah, we both have 0. So 0 is even. That means that 20 is an even number. Let's try this one. Is 45 even or odd? Are you looking at the 5? 5 is an odd number because if I had 5, one person would get 3 and one person would get 2, and that's not the same amount. So 45 is an odd number. Have you been practicing your times? Can you tell me what this time is? Look at where the little hand is pointing. Now look at where the big hand is pointing. If you said 7:30, you're right. Because to count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 7 is the hours, 30 minutes. 7:30. Try this one. Where is the little hand pointing? And the big hand? If you said 4 o'clock, you're right. The little hand's pointing to the 4 and the big hand's pointing to the 12, which means 2 zeros. So the time is 4 o'clock. Try this one. If you said 8:15, you're right, because the little hand's pointing to the 8 and the big hand's pointing to the 3. 5, 10, 15. 8:15. Let's do money. How much is this coin worth? That's a nickel. It's worth 5. How about this one? It's a dime. That's worth 10. And this one? It's a penny. That's worth 1. And this one? That's a quarter. 25 cents. Let's start with this one. Do you remember how much money 3/4 is? I know you know that 1/4 is 25 and 4/4 is $1. And we've talked about half of $1 or 2/4 is 50 cents. But how much is 3/4? Remember, 3/4 is 75 cents. So in this piggy bank, there are 75 cents. Okay, now since we know that 3/4 is 75 cents, try this one. What do you see in that piggy bank? How many quarters? 3. Don't you know that 3/4 is 75 cents? Sure you do. So 75 cents plus a nickel is worth how much? 5. So 75 plus 5. That's way too big for our fingers. So put that number 75 in your brain. Is it in there? Okay. Add 5. 75. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, those are taken care of. Now, how about the 2 pennies? We're at 80, and we need to add 2 pennies. Penny is worth 1, so 80, 81, 82. 82 cents in this piggy bank. Good job. Let's try this one. Do you see a quarter in there? How much is a quarter worth? 25 plus a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5. So 25 plus 5. Too big for our fingers. So put that number 25 in your head and add 5. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Plus 4 pennies. So we're at 30. Let's add 4. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 34 cents in this piggy bank. Place value pop quiz time. What number is this? $321. 3, 2, 1. 321. Let's do another one. How much is here? Two in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place, and 7 in the ones place. 247. Good job.